afternoon, children. In the last video session, we have learned about a boy and how his family helped him in blowing the balloon, right? And you all enjoyed that lesson, I think, and you all did a splendid job in doing your worksheets. And special thanks to all your parents who are supporting and encouraging you all to do all the worksheets on yourself. And today's video also, I have come up with a basket full of flashcards and we are going to learn about some new words and vowels. And without any delay, we will get into the video. Let's get started. Come on, say along with me. B-A-G, bag. B-A-G, bag. B-E-G, beg. Come on, say along. B-E-G, beg. B-I-G, big. B-I-G, big. L-O-G, log. L-O-G, log. B-U-G, bug. T-A-G, tag. T-A-G, tag. See here, what are the similarities and differences you find in these words? Yes, all the letters are starting with the letter B and the differences are all the middle letters are changing. Yes, the middle letters are A, E, I, O, U. What is the speciality of all these letters, children? You know? Yes, all these letters are vowels in our alphabets and remaining all are consonants. Now open your S3 worksheet and see all these words in that. Now you need to cut all these words. Now all of you cut all these words and blocks. See children, I am doing this activity. You need to cut all these cubicles like these and arrange like this. And you can find that middle letter is changing as per the vowels A, E, I, O, U. You should arrange all these words like this. See, U word and finally again A, E, O. You need to cut and arrange in an order of vowels and you need to staple all these words flashcards to this top header. Okay, this is the activity you need to do for having all your workbooks. You need to cut and do this stapling kind of things in your workbooks. If you don't have, you can do with the normal papers also. I think all of you understood about these words and flashcards along with the vowels. You enjoyed this activity, I think, children. Yes, children, this is our LP4. Here you can see in all the pictures, I bring it to Pa, I bring it to Ma, I bring it to Grandpa, like this, right? Here also you need to do this activity. I bring the picnic dash to Pa. Like this, with the pictures help, you need to fill the blanks, children. Like this, you need to do this worksheet with the help of pictures. I bring it to, I bring it to. With these words, you need to do this. Yes, I think you all enjoy this class and you understand everything well about all these new words and vowels. And in the next video, we are going to learn something more and interesting. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.